Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to optimize shorts aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to optimize the aspect ratio for YouTube shorts in your DaVinci Resolve, all you gotta do is simply go to DaVinci, and once you are in your DaVinci, you need to simply set your project and timeline resolution to a vertical 9:16 format. This ensures your video fills the entire mobile screen and is recognized as short by YouTube's algorithm. Now you can simply adjust the timeline resolution in the master setting tab. After this, you need to click save to apply the changes. You can simply drag your footage onto the timeline. If the clips were shot in different orientation, select the clips, retime it, and scale it, and simply tap on scale full frame with crop. So this way you can simply optimize shorts aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.